I am Dr. Swarupa Agnihotri, Assistant Professor from the Department of Botany, Wilson College. I will be introducing the course under the IKS, that is Indian Knowledge System. We, the Department of Botany, Wilson College, is offering a course Ayurvedic Herbs and Human Health. The Indian subcontinent Ayurveda is practiced as alternative medicine system. This medicine system, being ancient, could be still effective by incorporating in our current lifestyle. Considering this aspect, syllabus of this course has been designed. Under this course, students will know about the basic principles of Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, diagnosis of any human health problem starts with analyzing Prakriti of each individual. The concept of Prakriti makes Ayurveda unique from other medical systems. The Prakriti is made up of varying proportion of three forms of energy called the three doshas: Vata, Pitta and Kapha. These doshas are believed to be responsible for person's physiological, mental and emotional health. Keeping in mind about all these factors which are responsible for our health, learners will learn the principles, application, and importance of five elements, three doshas, and dhatus in this course. Under Prakriti Nidan concept, learners will get the knowledge of prevention and curing of various diseases according to individual's Prakriti. Panchakarma will also able to identify and classify the different diseases. This is the therapy in the Ayurveda. Ultimate detoxification of the body is achieved by adopting this therapy. In this course, the learners will learn the basic principles, methodology, and importance of Panchakarma in maintaining the health balance. Learners will also able to identify and classify different herbs according to their taste and past use in Ayurvedic treatment. How herbs will be beneficial to treat current lifestyle related human health problems such as weight management, stress management, that also be studied under this course. After completing this course and graduation in botany, learners can opt for master's degree in medicinal plant botany or Ayurveda in various universities. Learners will also get glimpse about the procedures and technique followed in pharmaceutical industries.
Hello, friends. And on behalf of the Department of Chemistry, Wilson College, this is Dr. Ashish Usgare welcoming you all. Friends, I want to introduce to you the Department of Chemistry, which is one of the oldest science department under the University of Mumbai. Established in 1887, this 137-year-old department boasts of 17 faculty members, out of which 11 are PhD holders, all 17 are NetSet qualified, and 4 are research guides. The Department of Chemistry is a recognized center for PhD, having 4 research guides, and currently 11 students are pursuing their research under their guidance. The department is a perfect amalgamation of senior experienced and young enthusiastic staff members. So, my dear freshers joining the first year in Wilson College, are you excited to know about this department and what it is going to offer to you students who are going to be the pioneers of the NEP 2020? Dear student friends, in semester 2, those students who have offered chemistry as one of the subject would be taking the Indian knowledge system instead of value education course. The Department of Chemistry has come up with a very interesting title and material and course under the IKS, which is History and Development of Indian Medicinal Chemistry. Conducted over 2 lectures a week, this course will fetch the learner 2 credits, and at the end of the semester, the student would have undertaken 2 continuous assessment of 30 marks each. What is it that the student will learn in this course? The West has always been fascinated about the plant and the Ayurvedic system in India. So, under this particular course, the learner would be introduced to the Indian medicinal traditions. The learner will know about the cultural and philosophical aspect underlying Ayurveda. Different principles and practices of Ayurveda would be introduced to the learner. What are the different medicinal plants that are used in the Indian medicine system? Also, how they could be amalgamated with the modern medication system. That would be an interesting part of this particular course. The student would be made aware about several Ayurvedic formulation and preparations, and also the learner will get an idea about ethics and sustainability. So, the student will get a comprehensive knowledge about how Ayurveda has evolved over a period of time and how to identify medicinal plants and how to apply them in the day to day life. About the learning objectives of this course, the course has been designed in order to make the learner aware about the evolution of Indian medicinal chemistry and its cultural significance. The learner would be able to analyze the influence of Indian medicinal knowledge in the development of modern medication. The course also aims in making the learner aware about different methods that are used to assess Indian medicinal chemistry's socio-culture and scientific components, and also to employ critical thinking in using this knowledge. The aim is also to provide the learner an opportunity to examine Ayurveda's tenets and practices, as well as their contribution and application in Indian healthcare system. The course objective is also to make the learner recognize the importance of preserving and incorporating this traditional Ayurvedic medicinal chemistry into modern healthcare system. What is it that the learner would be benefited after learning this course? That is the course outcomes. Number one, the learner would be able to explain the theory and the cultural significance of Indian medicinal chemistry. The learner would be able to describe and differentiate the significant contributions made by ancient Indian intellectuals such as the Charaka, Sushruta, and Nagarjuna. One of the course outcome is to analyze the ideas, practices of Ayurvedic medicine, including the concept of Tridosha, also to know about medicinal herbs and preparation. Finally, the learner would be able to effectively communicate the history and development of Indian medicinal chemistry, that is Ayurveda, by writing scientific reports and also to give an effective PowerPoint presentation. Thank you.